That's what a full 30 days looks like. Actually, that's 28, but I've done 30. You know, yesterday I thought I was getting sick, but actually I might have just been overtired because now I feel great. Do you feel great? Come on, let's go. I must confess, I do really quite like these rainy days. I did it! 30 vlogs, 30 episodes in a row, a new video, edited every day, uploaded every day. What do I do now? When I started this vlog thing, I was like, I thought it'd be a good way to kind of track the growth of my business, and maybe people might want to watch some bits of it. But now I'm starting to think, like, having done it for 30 days, wouldn't it just be really cool to have like an entire year of my life, of our lives, mine and Maya's lives, vlogged on camera, so that we can go back and watch them whenever we want. I think that's now like the most appealing, like motivating factor for me going forward. I want to get a whole year of our lives on camera for us. I think that'd be fun. Not all of these vlogs are even totally legit, because there's like some weird shenanigans that I do. Sometimes I will, because I edit them the next day. I edit yesterday, today. So sometimes what I'll do is, I will do like little monologues to the camera, accepting that they're in retrospect. And then other times I'll put on the same clothes, and then I will pretend that it's the same day, even though it isn't. It could be like 12, 24 hours later, something like that. Speaking of which, I've got to do some editing right now. You know, I have a bunch of footage on this camera, and I could really do is trying to get it off, but the trouble is, I can see the footage on there, and then when I'm downloading it into the computer, it's saying it's got 0 bytes. So what am I supposed to do about that? I think the trouble is that I can't put the memory card directly in, and it's getting upset that it's trying to pull the data through the memory card, through the camera, and into the computer. I need to get the memory card just into the computer on its own. This is like the second time this has happened to me, where it says like the files are like corrupted. It says they're 0 bytes. They're playable on this. They're just not playable on the computer there. It's very annoying. Let's see if I can figure this out. Alright, I've got the card reader. Let's see if we can recover that file. It's so frustrating when this shit happens. All the files seem to be there now. Problem solved. Do you want to look at some stats? Is that interesting? Let's have a look at some stats. Alright, this is my analytics for the past month of daily vlogs. So let's have a look. So you can see I've got 6.4k views, 156.7 watch hours, and plus 72 subscribers. I have a couple of peaks as well. And then this has been the last sort of week. This seems to be like a new baseline, so it seems more stable here than it does here. I know exactly what these two peaks are, and it's because I've used buzzwords, like very specific buzzwords. They were on purpose in the video titles. The videos that performed particularly well were this one, the tool that will make you money. And I think anytime you put something like that in a title, it's going to do well. That video got 1,115 views. The other video that did well is this one. Warhammer's kind of a super buzzword on YouTube right now. If you type Warhammer in your title and you put it in all your tags and stuff, you're like kind of bound to get a few more views than you would on a normal video. So I knew that those two videos would kind of perform a bit better than the others. And Lego was the other one that made people click more. So we've got Making Money, Warhammer, and Lego. You put those in your title. Hey, I should do a video where all three of those are in my title. That's a great idea. I just got a text to say that there's a package been delivered for me. Let's get it. You know, I'm one of those total maniacs that when he finds something that he likes, he just keeps buying the same thing over and over and over again. I really like these trainers, but I think they might be the last ones in stock at the shop that I buy them from, so this might be the last ever time I get to wear these, my final pair. I also like them because they match my backpack, my Freitag backpack. They got the same styling going on. You know, if time travel was real, like if Doctor Who was like real or something, I think I must feel like he would feel. Since I started doing this vlog, I've like really confused my own brain as to like what day it is, what happened yesterday, what's happening tomorrow, what did I just do? Because I'm editing bits of yesterday and today at the same time. And look. In my bag, I even keep yesterday's clothes in case I need to like film something for continuity. So I'll literally get changed, put on the same clothes that I was wearing yesterday, and then shoot the thing as if I was really there, and then throw that clip in. So sometimes I'll do like, say 4 clips, and I'll be like, it really just needs like a little 5th clip to make that, doesn't quite feel right, you know, it needs another little one. And I'll put on all the same clothes, and I'll add that little clip in. What's great about this place is I have basically no natural light in this office space, and I have no natural light at all downstairs, so it's really easy for me to control the continuity inside of these spaces. It's only outdoors that I've really got to kind of worry about. What a lunatic, I'm so confused. Should probably just start editing the day that I'm on and try to make sure that it's done by... I want to show you the lengths that I will go to get the clips right and like all this continuity stuff that I've been talking about. Look, watch this clip. This clip is from the 7 Things video.
I don't have any waste storage at my workshop, so about once a month, every 2 months maybe, I have to take all my rubbish to the recycling centre. I'm just going to load the van now, I don't know if I'm going to go today.
Alright, now, everything up to this point was filmed on the same day. This clip from now on, this was filmed, I think it might have even been 2 days later that I filmed this particular clip. So I went back, I put on the same old clothes, and then I filmed this one scene of me closing the tailgate. How necessary is that? Not at all, probably. But that's what I do. So this video is going to continue to be about all those things that are important to me, so things like growing my business, art and design, my adventures with Maya, my really quite serious Warhammer addiction. If any of that sort of stuff's going to appeal to you, then feel free to join in. Otherwise, I'm going to keep making these videos until I get bored. Or a whole year. I don't know. If you've watched all the way to the end of this video, then you might have noticed that the continuity in this episode is absolutely dreadful. But this time, on this occasion, it was actually done on purpose by design. So if you want it to be like really anal, you can like go back through this video, and I've left loads of clues, and you can kind of like reverse engineer the absolutely ridiculous order that I shot this video in. It's all over the place. This video takes place over like 3 days. No one will ever notice or care, but I thought it would be funny.